Hi there. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you the basic part of the Discovery Studio visualizer. So how to open your protein structure by using the Discovery Studio visualizer, as well as some additional features I'm gonna show you in this video. So okay, let's move on to the tutorial part. So I already opened one of the protein structure. So let me close it first, then I'm gonna show you from the beginning. So I can close it. So here you see in this window it's gonna show you that what recent file you opened. So I opened this file, so I'm gonna click here, then I gonna open that file. So you can start from here. You can start if you want to open your file, then you can start from here, open, and then it gonna redirect your file, then you can choose your file then. So right now I gonna start from here. I already have one recent files opened. So here is this is the protein structure, and what you're gonna do, so you can check if you want to check the sequence. So you can check the sequence as well. So here is the sequence option. So if you click this one, then show sequence, then it's gonna show you that the sequence of this protein. Alright, so here you see the entire protein sequence is already popped up. So you can also minimize this one. Okay, so now there is one option in under view option. You get this hierarchy of this kind of option, and if you hit this option, then one of the tree it will gonna pop up. So here the all of the amino acid residues and all of the chains and all of the molecules are gonna showing here. So here, just for example, if I click here, so in this chain, so first you can check here that how many chains you have in this structure. So as you see here that A, B, there are two different chain, and if you click this arrow, then it's gonna show you that all of the amino acid residues that you have in that specific chain. Alright, so and also there are also the water molecule, heteroatom, active sites, everything is there. So let's assume that I'm gonna show you that these active sites, right? So if you click here active sites, if you click all of these active sites, then it's gonna show you that where is your active sites. This is the right here, this. So you see the yellow color, right? So this yellow color, this is the it's indicating that active sites. So if you active site 3, if you click here, then this is the active site 4. If you click here, then this part it is the active site 5. All right, so that like this way you can check your active sites as well. And then if you right click here, and then if you the mouse mode, and if you select or if you rotate it, then it can, and then the right click, and at the same time click, then it can rotate your structure. You can rotate it. All right, and also if you want to zoom it, then also you can zoom it by this way, that first you can you can, in the under mouse mode, you can select the zoom, and then the left mouse, left button, and then the click option, and drag it, then you can zoom it as well. So you see, this is very clear. All right, and then if you want to spin your structure, if you want to spin, then you can also do that, because in some cases spinning your structure, it's gonna show you very clear structure, the all of the part, so you can do that. So for that, you can do under view option, you can go here, spin, and then spin, then it's gonna spin continuously. So in this moment, in meanwhile, you can see the all of the structure very clearly, that right. So this is you can turn it off. So this is turn it off. So now I'm gonna show you mm, the active side as well also. So if you would like to change the display style, so you can click the display style, and then you can CPK option and apply. So if you apply, then it's gonna change the all of this the entire manner of the structure. So then again you can change it, display style, and then it, turn it off, and then okay. Yeah, all right. So now it's gonna show you that the normal structure, that is the ribbon structure. So now I'm gonna show you the how to change, how to store the all of the scenes and all of the stages, you can, all of the steps that you're gonna execute, you can save all of these steps. So how to do that? So for example, first I would like to rotate it. Let me change the mouse mode, rotate, then I can rotate it first, and this way, and this way, and also this way. All right, so these steps I gonna save it here, that under view option, and then storyboard, and then add scenes. So that steps that I did, that's saved here, that is the scene 1, and then you can close it again. Now what I do, I gonna zoom it, I'm gonna zoom it, and then rotate. All right, so this also, this step also I gonna save it. So again I want to save it under view option and storyboard and add scenes. So you see, number scene 2, it's saved. So again you can close it, then again make it the initial position. All right, so now what I gonna do I gonna change the display style. So display style, so it's an atom, not here, just wait a moment. Yeah, it's okay. Display style. Then I can change it to the line or stick maybe, and then apply. Okay. So you see right now that there are some sticks in between, some ligand that added. Right? You see here, this is the ligand. So I gonna save this and I gonna zoom it a little bit. and and then this step I gonna save it. View option and the storyboard, add scenes. So scene 3 it's saved. Okay, I can close it, and then I gonna do another things that I want to mm, mouse mode and then translate. So if you select the translate option, then you can drag it by this way, then you can move it where you want. So what I do, I want to, and then I want to rotate. So this one I want to, this step also I want to save under view option and then storyboard, add scene and save scene 4. Alright, and then again what I do, make it the the initial position. Okay, so this step also I want to save. Then you can save it. So you see here how many scenes are now? 5 scenes. Okay, right. So if you click this play button, then you can see it will make a movie. Alright, and then if you click this one, the loop, this option, if you check this one, then this movie will be continuously, it will be non-stop, it will play. It's exciting, right? Yeah. So if you want to save it, also you can save it, and also you can export this movie as well for your, if you would like to check the all of the steps that you executed. So you can check after saving those all of the scenes, and then after making movie you can check all those. All right, so that all's about this basic part. So I will make another video of the other part as well. So all right, so thanks guys. If you think that this video is helpful, so kindly hit the like button, share it, and please subscribe my channel. And if you have any queries, kindly write in the comment section. Thanks.